So hi friends, we have big opportunity to work from home on free time. So the name of the website is Data Correction. So our website is Data Correction Works. So you can log in through Google Chrome. So just type here www.datacorrection.in. So our page will open like this. So you can earn money by simply correcting a text in the data. So it is a data correction work. It is simple as it is correcting a data and special character. Easy to use, work from home and work at free time. So skill no need, environment not required. So first you have to register by clicking here. So enter your full name. Here enter your full name, mobile number. For example, I am filling here. So email ID, so your father name, so your date of birth. So you have to upload your date of birth and your address. So your education like SSLC, PUC and degree. So payment like payment type, bank account details like account number, IFSC code, bank name, account holder name. So if you click on UPI ID, you can mention your UPI ID here. For example, I am filling here. So if you click on view plans, there is a plans like basic, standard, premium. So you can choose any one of them. So just choose, I am choosing a premium here. So and also you have to upload your documents like Aadhaar card, PAN card and photo, so which is less than 4 MB. So once you have been completely, you have entered your form, so you have to register. Just click on register. So after that, once you have been registered, the option register, one QR code will pop up. So just make a payment by your comfortable plans. You have to send transaction ID via email to the mobile or email ID to the admin. So admin will share you the credential via email ID. Then until then you have to wait. Once you get a credential, so you can log in. So just click on login. So you have to mention your given email ID and password, user ID and password. So once it has been entered, so just click on OK here. So once you get your credential, you have to log in. So page will open. So first you will see our page ongoing work. So will open. So just click on here, it will request for a new file. So once request has been successfully sent, so the admin will assign you a file. Once it is assigned, click on open. So like this. So open, your time duration will be start here. So maximum 2 hours. So time duration start here, maximum 2 hours. So just check your image and your text. So you have to correct like this. So save and next. So the text is like BR here. So please don't clear this. And also there is a symbol which is not in the keyboard. So you have to click on symbols. So just copy here like this. Copy and paste it over the text. So you have to and save next. So you have to complete your completely 55 line as it is what I have showed. So you have to fill all the 55 lines. So until then you won't get a finish button. So I'm filling here for example. So for this website, it doesn't need any working time, anything, so you can work at free time. So I'm filling here for example, that's it. So you have to fill it properly. So if you have any doubt or clarification, you can contact us. So for for example, I'm filling here. So as it is, you have to completely 55 lines. So until then you won't get finish button. So it's almost done. It's almost. So for this work, we don't need any so like this you have to fill. If you have any character, special character, you just copy and paste it over here. So you can do like this. So as it is, you have to complete 55 lines. So as it is, if it is any errors occurs in a file, so that file doesn't mean like you won't get a money for that. So please do carefully. So there is a BR like special character and like BR. So you no need to clear that. Please don't clear that. You can earn money simply by correcting like this. So easy data in website, you can earn money. So easy to use, work from home only. So work at free time. So for this, there is no skill required. So environment not required for this. So you can use this website for any time. So for one file maximum, we will provide it 2 hours. So in one file there is a 55 lines, you have to clear it maximum. So please clear it as soon as possible. So for example, I am filling here. So you have to correct it properly, or else it will come under the error section. So it's almost done. So you can earn money at the free time also. So this website doesn't need any skills or whatever. So you can, so as it is, you have to complete 55 lines. Once it completed, so you will get like this pop-up message. This was last time line, you press finish, just click on OK. So after that you will get a finish button here, click on finish. So the same ongoing page will open here. So you can check your history by clicking on history tab. So there is a your completed file will be reflect there with the date and file name. If any errors occurs, the lines or file within a week, that errors will be reflect in a report section. You can refer your friends to only for one time. For payment details, so log out. For payment details, just log out, and your payment detail, just go to the subscription plan. there is a basic and standard premium. For basics, 100 rupees plus 18% GST you have to pay via what I have said in the QR code. You have to pay for us. So workload 5 pages per day. Target no daily target. Payout is per page 20 rupees only. So there should be no errors in the file or line. So payment cycle monthly payout. So validation is 6 months. So working hours 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So as it is the standard, so registration fee for standard is 500. You have to pay via QR code plus 18% GST. So workload 20 pages per day. Target no daily target. Payout per page 40 rupees only. Error free file. There should be no errors. So payment cycle is weekly payout. So validation is 11 months. Working hours 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. only. So as it is for the premium, so registration fee for 800 plus 18% GST. So workload unlimited. So target no daily target. Payout per page 60 rupees only. That also error free file. There is no error should be there. So payment cycle weekly payout. So first time this payout will be for 15 days. After that the weekly payout will be provided by the company. So validity for 24 months. Working hours 24 into 7. So just a second. So if you have any doubts or clarification, you can contact to this number or email ID. So if you have any doubts, you can contact to this email ID or mobile number. So thank you guys. Thank you.